Hey my dear friends and student, I hope you are doing well, and today I will show you how to install another chatbot. Okay, today is our episode 11 and today I will teach you another chatbot. I like it to have some more advanced feature, but it's better to say on think you will install any chatbot for your client. Multiple chatbot on your website are never useful. Okay, when you suggest to your client for adding chatbot, you just install one single chatbot. Now, I will show you different kind of chatbot for you for learning purpose. So you will suggest to your client to install chatbot so that you can earn extra. Now I will show you how to install it. Just go to your dashboard, go to the plugin and add new. And here in this box, you will put Crip, CRIPSP, Crips. Okay, just install now. Click, and when it install, it will appear from here. Just activate it. Okay, you can see this is the Crips settings. When you download the scripts and just go install the Crips on your website, just when you click on and link Crips to WordPress, when you done this kind of stuff, it will already installed to your website, and you can see to your on your website it will appear down of this website, another website. Just open the Crips chat inbox, and if you want to see our website, just visit our website. Visit. Sometime later it will appear, and this one is Crips. Okay. And if you want to message to our website, I will put some text hi, just send button, click, and it will appear here. Now some visitor are sent a message. The visitor name is root, and this is the visitor conversation section. Okay, here you can see visitor some feature. Here some add some. Here, as you can see, some interface like where visitor from, visitor time zone, and visitor website admin location, visitor use a visitor device, also visitor IP address, also visitor email. Okay, so this is important. I will talk about it later. And go to the visitor, this icon, global icon. As you can, if you select on this icon, you can see someone are two people from here. Those are sent a message to our website. And when you go to the contact, here you can see some list of our audience, and here you can see some segment. I have already added a segment, and also I have already some two segments solved. This was the mistake, this was some mistake. And if you click on this profile, and you can see some information like their email address and their device, also their location, country, etc. Okay, and if you go to the campaign, I have now created a new campaign. If you want to create new campaign, you can here just create a new campaign. If you want to know how to do this, just Google it or YouTube it, and go to help desk. I think this is not important right now. And go to analytics. Analytics important because some visitor are message. This is like analytics. So which time they are maximum visitor, which time response our website, and you can see from here. There's a huge analytics. I think go to the plugin. Plugin is very important because if you want to use your messenger, or if you want to use Viber, if you want to use Telegram, you can use it. It's another chatbot using Telegram. If you want to interested to add Telegram to your Crips, and if you want to use messenger, a particular chatbot, if you want to use this, that okay. But Crips is very advantage. Crips has many advantages, like you can see visitor location, you can see visitor device, you can see visitor some information, you can create campaign. And if for this reason we will use Crips. But if you want to connect your messenger, you can use it, download it just go to the view and install it and connect to your Facebook. Okay, and if similarly just install Viber and install Telegram. For one more website, I have to say again it, the one website for one chatbot. Okay, you have to make sure about it and go to the settings. There is no important thing, and if you want to go to notification and disable all notification if you want, and account not important, just ability is important. When you are available, just it will show the online icon here, as you can see. This is the important stuff, all those things are. And go to the inbox and go to the your latest audience or customer, and as you can see, segment I have already told you. Segment is, and here I will create a segment. Segment is like when you see your customer are lots more customer, and some customer are need some help from you, and you just solve their problem, and you just create a segment. This root name of website I have already solved their problem, and you just create a segment like here. Just add a segment name is solved. That means when here lots of audience are available, and root name of audience again message you, and you just see, first of all you just see here the segment, and if you see the segment is already solved, and I think in that time you think this kind of this root name of audience I have already solved his problem. Okay, this is the main advantage of this Clips Clips plugin. Okay, so today's video is end. So until today's video, I hope you will like it. If you like it, you must subscribe and click the bell icon next to it, so that you don't actually miss any new video. Please subscribe to my channel. Until bye bye.